This invoice collector never touches Gmail OAuth. Vendors email a dedicated Robotomail inbox, and a small Python worker turns every new invoice into structured data. Here is the complete flow. The usual Gmail version starts with a Google Cloud project, OAuth consent, scopes, refresh tokens, and a mailbox borrowed from a human. For an autonomous workflow, that is a lot of identity machinery before you process one invoice. With Robotomail, create a mailbox, such as invoices at your Robotomail address, through the Mailbox API. Give this workflow a mailbox scoped API key. Now the collector has its own identity, instead of impersonating your personal Gmail account. Register a webhook for this mailbox. When a message arrives, Robotomail sends the event to your endpoint. Verify the HMAC-signature, then inspect the subject, sender, body, and attachment metadata. The customer names and invoice values shown here are illustrative. The Python handler downloads the PDF attachment, extracts the invoice number, vendor, due date, currency, and total, then validates the result before writing it to your accounting queue. If a required field is missing, route the message to review instead of guessing. That is the practical difference. One purpose-built inbox, one API key, inbound events, and an auditable processing path. No Gmail consent screen and no personal mailbox. Build the collector with Robotomail at robotomail.com.